Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can be able to install WordPress website inside your hosting guide. So it's going to be a step-by-step guide how to install WordPress website inside hosting guide. First of all, first step you are going to do is just for us to get our hosting from hosting guide. So all we need to do, just come down to the description of this video, just click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, it will take you to this page. And remember, this link you are clicking now will give you an amazing discount that can make you to buy this domain and hosting for as low as $23 just because you are using this link. So all you need to do, come down to this, you click on claim. Once you click on claim, then you come to choose plan. You click on choose plan. Choose plan. So we are waiting for it to load. So we are waiting for it to load. As you can see, we are having 48 months, so we need 12 months only. So for us 12 months, we are going to be getting this for $23.52 just because of what we are using the link below this video. This link that we clicked, that's the thing that gave us this discount. Remember, it said what? 20% referral discount. That's the reason we are having this discount. So if you have not been able to get your hosting or your domain because of price, this is the time you can get it. Just click the first link below this video. It's the only link that can help you to do this right now. So click the first link, then you're able to have this opportunity. So once I continue, I'll click on continue. So if I click on continue, it will tell me to register. Or I can do now, I just double click on this. Then I select any of the emails that I have, then I can continue with this. But for now, I am not going to do any of this right now. All I need to do, okay, let me try with this email. Just to continue. So I just want you to show you, okay. So all I can do now is just for me to fill up these details right now. Fill up these details and make my payments. We have different modes of payment. You can just select any this thing now. We have different modes of payment. We have through ATM card, which is for debit and credit card. Then we have every other payment method. So all you need to do, just make this payment and it will be done for you. I've already made the payment and I've made the payments. Let me check where I got that payment. I've made the payment already. So if you make your payment here, it's going to appear. See the payment I made. You say you have successfully received. We have successfully received your payment for the invoice of so and so. So the invoice has been received and the payment has been made. So as I've made my own payment, all I can do now is just to continue while I wait for you to do your own payment. So let me show you after your payment, the next steps you are going to see. That's where I'm taking you to right now. So let me pause this. Okay, so if you are done making your payment, it will take you to this place. So you just have to follow this step by step. You said what? Hello, who is this website for? You can write myself. Then you do continue. It's not compulsory that you follow up this step, but at least it's good. You can also do it for them to maybe have a good knowledge about it. You say, do you want to create or migrate? I want to create. Then I say, what's next? Say something here. A WordPress or builder next. Okay. It said this should be your WordPress email and this should be your password. So they're about to install this WordPress account for me. So let me create my own. Do next. this. Okay, so what am I using it for? Let me just say business, portfolio. I think portfolio should go where? Next. Build from scratch. So most times now what they are trying to do is just to recommend for us. Okay, the domain name we want to register. All we can do is just for us to click on, do you want this domain? Use it. It's a global enterprise, yes. You can use this domain for your website, but you will need to connect it. Yes, okay. Next. Where is your audience located? Can type United States. Click on next. So WordPress is being installed for us right now. So we are just waiting for the WordPress to install. So as you can see now, there's nothing big about it. It's just a step by step. So we are waiting for it to finish installing. We're waiting for it to finish installing. So there's nothing much about the. So we're just waiting for it to finish installation. Just waiting for the installation to be completed. Okay, so it has been successfully installed. It says ready to go. It's time to build your online success. So we have successfully installed WordPress on this website. After this thing, all you need to do is just to click on this so that it will load your admin dash your WordPress. Okay, so I can click on dashboard. So that is how you can be able to install WordPress in your hosting.